Can you sing the nodding song?
Naughty, naughty, naughty. The Bible says me naughty. Naughty, naughty.
Good, Zane. Can you sing, Rachel? Can you sing the nodding song, Rachel?
No, and no, yeah, no, yeah, no.
That's very good. Both of you.
The
Good
Bible
job.
says me naughty, 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 naughty.
Hey, Zane, don't lean against the side like that, please.
No, yeah.
Thank you. Can you sing again, Rachel?
Father, give me naughty, naughty, naughty. Father, give me naughty.
Okay, we're fixing to be in the station.
Father, give me naughty, naughty.
Here we go, into the train station. Bump.
Bump. Bumpy.